Starting thread while running Flask with debug. When I try to start a thread in the same process as a Flask app is running, 2 threads are started. So once will be printed twice. This only happens when debug is true. Anyone have any idea how to prevent this from happening when debugging?
verbsoix reloading support has a fork to be able to reload the module correctly. As such, your module is imported twice at least, more if you altered the module and it is reloaded. You can switch this off the reloader with use_reloader equals false. Or you can start your thread in a app.before_first_request decorated function. The start_thread function is now only executed when the first request comes in, not when importing.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.